Alright guys, ready to make some Jello?
Watch out.
Let's go. First we gotta pick which molds we want. Elijah, look at the molds. What do you want your Jello to be shaped like?
Red.
You want the red Jello? But what's your mold? Look, it's different kinds. Ooh, I want the heart. You want a star mold?
Okay.
Let's just do
No, it's all better.
it's all better.
Yeah, it's all better. I gotta be careful. No, I gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Can I see one of these? Make some Jello? How do we get to that one?
We gotta make it. So we got all kinds of different molds.
Okay,
Awesome.
whoa, yeah.
No, don't touch it. You gotta add the water to it. Oh.
Can you open this?
Here.
I can't. I got toxic fingers.
Hey! Now can I touch it, Liza?
Let's try this one. Jello. Do
I
not.
like it.
Bring it all over and get it.
No?
Not yet. Alright guys, so we got our molds picked out. Yeah, we do. Let's see. Uh-oh, I knocked down my smoothie. We got our molds that we're going to use picked out. We got our Jello poured in our bowl. Now we just need hot water. Alright, so Pop's going to bring us the hot water.
What's up, man?
We gotta... Pop's gonna help you, okay?
See?
Cassie, which one you
gotta
gonna
hold the
stir
tip.
up? This only needs 1 cup of boiling water. I couldn't find my
See? Gotta hold the
cup,
tip.
measuring cup of a cup, so we're using a half cup.
Alright, hold on.
I guess I'll stir the orange.
Maybe I give you to take it.
Yeah, Elijah. Why don't you put that in there?
That's not how you do it. We're gonna pour the Jello in there. 3.
Here.
Now you're gonna take this and pour it into your mold. Which one? This one? The star one? Wait, come closer, gently, slowly. Here, now do another one.
No. Oh, it's hard. Oh, no. Just...
Take your time, man. Don't put too much.
Right, use another one.
Use a different one. No.
Pour it in another
Use
one.
a different. Yeah.
Might need more mold.
Why do you keep
Well, no. We'll just do those molds, and then the leftover we'll just freeze it as regular Jello.
That's how you holding me. That's how you holding me, right?
Yeah, I'm helping you.
And, okay.
Don't put all that in there.
That one?
Yep, do it for a while.
Yeah, find another one.
Oh, yeah, okay, mix it more in there. Alright,
Well, you guys doing red. I'm gonna do a couple more orange.
that's too hot. I gotta go. That hurt me. Oh. Hey, why did you put it on my Mommy, what did you do? You drink it?
Yeah. Now we gotta put them in the fridge. All right.
No.
Yeah, they got a gel. They got a
Oh.
set. So you put them in the fridge for 4 hours, and we'll come back. No, put it down. I don't want you to spill. We'll come back tomorrow and see our finished product.
Sponsored by nobody.
Oh, I can't move it. Look at all our
Mommy.
beautiful molds.
Sponsored by Top.
You got your Jello, man?
Yeah, it's frozen.
It's ready.
Yeah.
Here, Cass, help him take his out of the mold, or
Come here.
take yours out.
Yellow.
How am I supposed to take Jello?
Oh, it's red.
Uh,
Ha! Yeah, it's yellow.
Did it form to
I
the
gotta go
mold?
home this right now because let me run,
Ew.
let me run, let me run, let me run.
that's not funny.
Oh, hers did not work. Let's see if Elijah's work.
I don't like Jello anymore.
Ooh,
Here, hold it.
ooh, ooh, Weasel.
I think you're supposed to do it something like this.
Really? Right, you go back on the thing. I have to make turn again.
Okay, that's
No! Oh, my Jello.
I was trying to do it right.
You do it.
Oops, it didn't work. Oh no, we failed. Jello failed.
That's right. I can eat it.
I don't like
I
Jello.
can eat it.
Yeah, eat it.
Mm.